Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Alright, so yeah, let's go over today what I'm also looking for. 1 second here. So yeah, I'm going to pull up the chats. And yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything. So 1 second. So it looks like Tesla is trying to make its way to that first TP here. And I'll be honest, I know I'm not even in this. I know a few of the members are, but ended up doing pretty well on QQ and IWM. So didn't want to over trade. So as of right now, hold on 1 second here. End of day live stream. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate it. Yo, Clay. Yo, thanks for liking the live stream. Wi-Fi, really appreciate it. So, for this, I can see, yes, you know, what I saw was this empty space. We had this, clear push down of no consolidation, or clear move up, no consolidation. We ended up getting a nice break under this wall here. And no, I'll be honest, I'm not even in this one. I could have had a starter, but I told the team, did pretty well, did pretty decent on the other trade, so don't really want to overdo it. But yeah, I know a few of the members are in. If we can finish, I do want to see if we can touch that 33108. That would be that first TP, and final would be that 324. So basically, yes, trading from one box to the next box here. So basically, yeah, slow move, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad there. So for the Qs, so yeah, we ended up dropping all the way down to my next entry. So what I mean by that is, so yes, we had a 30-minute play on this. So we had a little gap here. You can see the box before, the after there. So we ended up already targeting into that empty space there. On this 1 hour, so this is what I'm looking at now. We're still struggling to get underneath this wall here. So yes, where are we at? This 570 area. Right now I have this nice Potter box that I would like to have broken if we can. Looks really good. So I thought we were going to get it. I thought we were going to get this new entry here. Obviously, I don't care if we do since we already hit that already. But yeah, if we can get a nice candle body break under this wall, I can potentially see us going into that empty space there. So looks good, looks decent. But yeah, right now, definitely, at least for me, not a go. Yeah, it's just consolidating right there. So, and honestly, I like consolidation. I know I want the downside. I know, you know, we do have that clear move that I've been waiting for. I can also see that we did build more structure. So yeah, want to see if we can create some more structure here. This could be another area of consolidation. That's what I'm seeing there. But yeah, I'll just let that build up for a second before I think about taking that to the upside. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on the Qs. Looks really good. Yeah, so we have a 3-day weekend. Monday markets will be closed. So yeah, I'm looking for maybe one swing, but if I swing anything, it'll be a lotto for sure. And yeah, where's Tesla at now? Tesla may end up hitting. So yeah, this was another setup I had. I was thinking about getting in, but I told the members, since I already had the Qs, so you can pretty much see the plays that I had here today, what I was telling the members. QQQ puts under that 572. You can see this was this morning. And then also those IWM puts. And you can see when we called those out, how I pretty much called it out. You see the befores there, the after. So yeah, those ended up being well. And then so yeah, you can see I post everything in the potential setups. And we ended up having another one ready. Tesla, obviously I had it ready. But yeah, I will be honest, the play ended up hitting too. But I told the team, if you do take it, it's cool, it's fine, but I'll just not overtrade right now. But yeah, one of the members did end up catching that. And also, shout out to McCain, took only one trade on Monday. So yeah, shout out to McCain for that too as well. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Looks like we may end up finishing this move right here. Yo, Stealth, what's up? Secure gains, yeah. I mean, I could have made a little bit more. Obviously, we're finally trying to hit that, first TP. Looks like we're, letting off right now, but, it's fine. I don't, want to take, 1,000 entries here and there. I had my 2 that I wanted. Obviously, I only got stopped out of 1 swing. So, yeah, I'm pretty much done until the end of the day. Also, I probably should send this in the chat, just for the other members that are possibly in. 1 second here. Alright, cool. So what, BA and the Qs. Alright, yeah, and JD, yeah, we'll go over that too. Hold on 1 second here. Alright, so yeah, we did have that empty space. Looked really good. If we can continue, yeah, that 331 would be that first TP there. But no, I'm not in this one, if anyone's wondering. So yeah, I already had my other trades from the day. Didn't want to overdo it. You can see we had the QQQ puts. See what I was looking for there. And also those IWMs. You can see when I told the team this morning, QQ puts under that 572. We got straight under there. We didn't play around. We ended up flushing there. I am very curious if we'll be able to hit it though. Yeah, we shall see. Yo, what's up, sir? Good to see you, man. So yeah, it was a great day for sure. Obviously, yeah, this morning there was only one swing that didn't work, and which was that AMAT. But this is why I don't care, because I know once I can get a new entry, I'll be able to catch that move. So that's pretty much it. I do want to see if Tesla will end up hitting it though. Dang, yeah. Let me look at a lower time frame really quickly. Dang, that thing is dumping right there. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. What, 332? So yeah, you can see. Yeah, we had the empty space. I even told the members it was valid. I'm just, was gonna chill out on this one. But you can see where we're pretty much at. But you can see, what I posted today, what I was looking for, what I was waiting for. QQQ puts. Also IWM. You can see in the games page what we did there. Also those Teslas. And it looks like we're getting close to that TP. So you can see this chart here. Pretty much same. Let's see. That looks really good. Appreciate the follows, really appreciate it. And yeah, like I said, if one trade doesn't work, like yeah, I got stopped out of AMAT yesterday or today. Cool. Just chill out, look for a new play, look for a new trade. That's exactly what I did. Stayed patient this morning. Told the members what I wanted to see. And we ended up getting pretty much what I wanted there. Yeah, those Teslas would have been crazy if I would have got it, but no worries. So yeah, I can't complain at all. Yeah, it looks really decent. All right, so anyways, we'll keep on going. We'll see if that will end up hitting too. So let's see. Let's see. So JD, okay, so we got BA. Okay, QQ actually looks very close. I think Tesla might be hitting it soon. Yeah, I think Tesla may end up hitting us. Dang, that looks really crazy. Yeah, I have an alert set for the members too as well if they are in that. All right, so anyways, BA, let's take a look here. Personally, yes, I did have a 30-minute chart that I was looking at. So yes, we do have this what? Clear move up, no consolidation. This is what I would want to this downside. As you can see, yes, we are nowhere near this entry, so there's just nothing for me to do except for wait. So yeah, right now, what am I going to do? Absolutely nothing. Just chill out. That's what I'm looking at. So I do like that. Oh, wait, hold on. So that 30-minute looked good. I'm also seeing that this potentially looks like Tesla's pretty much right there. Top all there, bottom all here. What I can see is, yeah, we have a nice little move that looks really good. So right now, yes, we are inside of consolidation. If we can get a nice little break under this bottom level, under this bottom wall, we do have this empty space here, which looks really good. So yeah, clear push up, no consolidation. We get that break below. We do have that empty space that looks really good. So yeah, right now, what am I going to do? Absolutely nothing. Just going to wait on that. Wow, looks like Tesla's close to that first TP there. Yeah, so this morning we had it was a crazy morning. Those plays that we had ended up happening pretty fast. Only one of them didn't work out today. So yeah, you can see the plays that did end up working. When we called it out, what I was looking for, those QQ puts, we ended up getting that break under. Obviously, you can see we had IWM as well. And yeah, also I was thinking about Tesla. Obviously, we're close to that TP now, that 331. You could see this 331 is when I wanted to take out. Obviously, no, I didn't get in. I didn't really want to overtrade today. Had my green day. Obviously, I told the team members if they're in. Some of them did end up getting in though. But yeah, that is a beautiful move for sure. Really textbook. So, you know, we had the empty space, clear gap that I was looking for. We had a nice Potter box that needed to be broken. We ended up breaking under. Obviously, we you know, went up a bit, but ended up flushing down. Yo, Brett, what's up? What's up? So, Hims, TLRY, I'm up. Dude, fire, man. All right, one second. All right, so that's on Tesla. So JD, let's go over this too as well. And also, we got to go over what? Hims? All right, cool. Looks like Tesla might do it right now. If it does dump, we'll see. All right, cool. So for JD, let's take a look here. Let's see. So I do like to go to a higher time frame, which is this weekly chart. Okay, I can see that we do have empty space under us. Let me see here. 1 second. So it looks like, I will say, this is going to be my box here. Okay. It looks like we ended up getting a nice break outside of this box. So we ended up breaking outside of it. And yes, I just drew this literally right now. It looks like we still have this empty space under us to this, what, 28.80. So yeah, it looks like we already hit the imbalance, which we sat on just perfectly, which allowed us to bounce. What I can see is if we can potentially push back outside of this box here, with a nice close, we could potentially finish that move to this downside. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm looking at as well. As Tesla is trying to decide if that first TP wants to be tapped there. So yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out. Personally, yeah, I would just wait on that for sure. All right, so we'll take a look at a few more. 1 second here. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP. You can see what we pretty much do here. And yeah, one trade doesn't work, I just wait for the next. Obviously, AMAT was the one that didn't work today, but had some decent day trades that did pretty well. All right, so it looks like Tesla is trying. I think we'll end up hitting it. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade, so please, please do your own research. HOD somehow not selling off. Let me see. So yeah, we did JD. We got to do HIMS as well. So HIMS looks like Tesla. I think we might end up hitting it though. We're like $1 away. Hold on, I do have to tell the members just in case they're in. And no, I will be honest. No, I'm not in this one. You know, I've already had my green day with those other 2 day trades. Obviously, could have had another great entry, but yeah, didn't really want to overtrade it. So yeah, 1 second here. I gotta tell the members just in case if they're in. HOD and AMAT. Yeah, we can go back over that too. One second here, guys. All right, so yeah, I'm here. All right, so let's see. All right, it looks like Tesla might make his way down. Let's keep on going though. Let's go to a 24-hour time frame, and then yeah, let's do it. So 24-hour time frame. I will be honest, I don't see anything there. I think there is something on this 4-hour, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see. So on this 4-hour, okay, I do see something over there, but this is what I'm also seeing that doesn't look bad. We do have what? This empty space. So yeah, this clear push up, no consolidation. This is what I would like to this downside here. If we can get a nice break on this 38.98 area, we do have this empty space that is currently under us. That looks good. Currently right now looks like we could be tapping into this 42.32 area. All right, so AMAT, okay, yeah, we'll go over that too as well. What is your win rate? The Wall Street people have a 67 wait within a year. So I will be honest, there will be some trades where, hold on, there will be some trades where I do have to stop out, where I do lose, but and only had what, one trade that I had to take an L on, but I end up waiting for the quality setups. Obviously, we had Tesla, but I didn't enter into these. But you can see, yes, I missed out on what? AMAT. We'll go over it too, actually. So this was the trade that I did end up having to get stopped out on. So I think I'm what, 2 for 3 for today. So yeah, I mean, it was a perfect setup, and I like easy quality setups. We had a nice break above my top wall end of the day. It was looking good. It was looking great. We had the empty space, but yeah, I just wanted to reverse and go back into the box. So that's pretty much it. It looks like we're at that floor though, so we'll have to see if buyers can remain there. We'll have to see that. But yeah, obviously, yes, I post all my setups. If they hit, cool. If they don't, that's fine. You can see right after what I wanted here. So yeah, I just waited for those trades. You can see when I called out this setup, QQ puts under this 572, and then IWM. And also you can see Tesla. So you can see, yeah, if one trade doesn't work, I just wait for the next trade and yeah, get into those entries. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yo, Mandy, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. So yeah, I pretty much post all my setups inside of my Discord. Obviously, yesterday I only had one nice swing that I actually wanted, and yeah, that didn't end up working out. So I stayed patient, waited for my other setups to happen, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so let's keep on going here. Yo, Brittany, yeah, no worries. Thanks for being here. And yeah, if you do end up wanting to join the Discord, you can just join the free chat, see if you like it. Link is in the bio. Yeah, it looks like Tesla might end up flushing here, as it's already been doing, but it's been very, very slow though. So let's see. Yeah, I feel like, no, not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. All right, so now let's keep going. So HOOD, let's go over this. And yeah, let's go to a possible, so what, we're on a 24-hour. They're the only, okay, so yeah, I can see that it's basically, not moving really much. Okay, yeah, we're still in this consolidation that I can see. Yeah, pretty much everything else is flushing though. But yeah, what I can see here, personally, is this. Clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would like to that upside. As you can see, we do have a nice top wall there. Also, decent bottom wall here. So, yes, we're inside of consolidation. We are inside of this box. I'm looking for a break outside of seller's control. And if we can get that, I do want to see if we have this empty space. So, it doesn't look bad. Looks pretty decent. So, yeah, entry to exit, middle of the move. We have this imbalance that looks pretty fire. But yeah, for me at least, I'm not going to get into anything. Just going to wait for that. Yeah, so maybe, hopefully, we don't end up gapping up, finishing this move. I mean, we definitely could if we wanted to. But that's only if we can get that move. So yeah, it doesn't actually look too bad, actually. So CSCO, okay. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll keep going. Dang, Tesla had that beautiful move. Let's see. All right, so I will be honest. It looks like we had some empty space here, but let's see. Hold on, give me a second here. Dude, yeah, I haven't even checked on PLTR either, so yeah, we can go over that too. All right, so right now we do have what? This Potter box here. It doesn't look bad. Right under us, yes, we do have this empty space that looks really good. Do want to see if we can get a nice break under this ball here. I get it, small move, nothing like crazy, of course, but still doesn't look terrible. So yeah, right now, where are we at? We're inside, or we're trying to find our way with that box. If we can potentially get under this wall here, we do have this empty space. So it doesn't look bad. And yeah, you can see pretty much all the trades we did here today. So the last 2 days have been really smooth. After the video earnings, market started moving a lot better. You can see, what we did, what a few of the members ended up doing on that little Tesla play. Obviously, no, I didn't even get into this one. I didn't want to overtrade, but you can see I posted all the setups, got in the Qs, got in the IWMs. So yeah, didn't really want to take Tesla, didn't want to over risk it. Obviously, I would hit on it. Shout out to McCain, shout out to other members too as well. Shout out to Barbie too. But yeah, you can see I wait for the setups, I wait for the trades. If one doesn't hit, cool, I'll just find the next one. Alright, so let's see. MRK, we'll take a look here. And also Affirm, yeah, we can take a look there. We shall see. One second. So yeah, I will say, for Affirm, so on that 1 hour chart, it looks like we did end up going down. Hold on, let me see on the 24 hour. So 24 hour maybe, hold on. Let's see a weekly chart. So yeah, I get it. You know, we could have a little bit more empty space above us. On this 1 hour chart, this is what I saw here. And no, I didn't take this one. But, yes, what is this? We did have this empty space. This nice Potter box that I'm seeing. What I can see here now is, of course, we ended up getting a break in candle body closing underneath our, you know, Potter box. We ended up going into this empty space here. If we can, I do want to see if we can hit that 86.08. If we do end up going all the way back down here, you know, do want to see that 80.55 too as well. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. That, you know, doesn't look too terrible. That doesn't look bad at all. So yeah, that is on Affirm. Not bad at all. All right, so let's see. Tesla, we're like right there. All right, so right now, and yeah, all of our trades are going to be exactly the same. We don't change anything, or at least I don't change anything at all. Personally, I'm not going to get into any other entries. Maybe I'll have end of day swing and then get ready for next week. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. You can see all the trades that we end up getting into, which I do have to post, you know, all these other ones that we did. But yeah, if one trade doesn't work, look for another one, look for the next one. So yeah, let's see. I do want to look at SPY. Sir, can you add Fibonacci? I can add Fibonacci, I just don't trade with those. So yes, I'm gonna use a Potter box with empty space. All right, so that's there. Let's take a look here, 1 second here. So SPY, we ended up getting that nice dump. End up filling into that empty space here. If I was going to do something on this, I personally will let it build a little bit more structure to target into this empty space there. Yo, Vincent, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, bro. So, on this, I will say, I'm not really liking a setup on here. Maybe there's this, though. We do have what? This empty space. Clear push up, no consolidation there. What I'm seeing is we do have a nice Potter box. Nice top wall, bottom wall there. Right under this bottom wall. We could potentially go into this empty space here. So that's what I'm seeing. So that little gap there. If we can potentially get it, it honestly doesn't look bad. So yes, right now we are inside of that Potter box. So yes, I will just wait for those breaks. In my Discord, I don't rush into anything. And yeah, if one play works, cool, great. Targets hit. If one play doesn't work, that's fine. I'll get stopped out. Always find that new trade, that new entry. See it right now, yes. We have the empty space that we want. Just like all the other trades. Just like for today. We had the empty space. We had to just wait for those targets, wait for those trades. IWM, you can see if one trade worked, cool. If one trade doesn't work, that's fine there. So yeah, I would just wait for that. That's what I'm seeing, which honestly looks really good. But yes, guys and gals, I will be cutting this live stream short. Going to just post the setups inside the Discord, and yeah, get ready for the end of day swings, and then yeah, gonna have a great weekend for sure. Thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. I really appreciate it. Have a great weekend. I'll see you probably Monday. I may do like a lesson or something, since we have a longer weekend for sure. But yes, I'll either see you in the Discord, so if you do want to join, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat. But yeah, if you don't want to join, no worries. Have a blessed one, guys and gals. Hope you all have a good weekend. Thank you so much, Guy. Thank you so much, Vincent. Have a blessed one, guys and gals. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all in the Discord or in the live.